Welcome to this, I would say, iconic inaugural lecture featuring two of our powerhouses from Department of Social Preventive Medicine.
It's a journey that began long before my current role, rooted in the formative experience of my youth and career. Current role, the journey has led me to a current position of Head of Department of Social Preventive Medicine, Faculty of Medicine, Malaya. The role presented a new challenge, shifting focus from managing staff to leading and attracting academic talent.
So let us now enjoy Professor Sanjay Rampal's lecture on obesity and public health, challenges and opportunities for national prosperity. The floor is yours.
Because I'm not sure where I'm going, most likely I'm going to jump, right? But I hope to continue exponentiating my knowledge, my expertise, and my service to the nation.